National HR is an HR consulting firm specializing in medical insurance cost control. A majority of our clients are paying less than they were 5 years ago. How can that be possible?
2007 compared to 2002, our premiums are 21% less.
Over the last 5 years, we were down 20%, and most people at that time were up 50%. Numbers don't lie.
One year, one of our clients really held a gun to our head. He said to me in a meeting, "How you doing for me?" And we proceeded to tell all the great things that we were doing for him. We managed his plan, we made changes when we had to make them, we did all the customer service, the employees called us instead of the insurance company. We thought everything was working really well. He countered with, "If you're doing such a great job for me, why is my cost for health insurance going up faster than any of my other costs?" Wow, what a rude awakening that was for us. That gun to our head really was the best lesson that we could have learned. It made us scrutinize everything that we were doing. It made us look at all the procedures, and it made us do things that we were never doing before.
They've taken us from being a company that provided just single benefit options to actually providing a fully integrated cafeteria plan. And the amazing thing is, our benefit costs today are actually less than they were 6 years ago, which is pretty incredible when you think about healthcare costs today.
Our entire business changed as a result of what that lesson was. And what came out of it was what we now call the National HR 7-Step System. Companies that use the 7-Step System are able to reduce their medical costs like no other method that we've ever seen before. As a matter of fact, we have a whole group of companies who follow what we tell them to the T, and we have many companies whose cost today is lower than it was in 2002.
I first met Andy and John about 2.5 years ago. Andy had been cold calling the president of my company, and eventually he came to me and just said, "Hey, meet with these guys, get rid of them." I sat down and said, "Hey, I think I've got something here." And 2.5 years later, I've kept my healthcare costs where they need to be.
Any ordinary broker can bid the insurance, but to control cost, you need HR expertise in the delivery of benefits to employees. Ordinary brokers don't do this, but it's our specialty. This is why our clients are paying less while maintaining high employee satisfaction.
With the help of National HR, we've been able to keep our benefit costs virtually even. In fact, this year they went down without reducing benefits to the employees. And they can tell you how to do that.
The largest part of my job is to allow people to buy the right type of healthcare for their individual situation. And our goal is to allow each person in every single company that we represent to spend as little money as possible.
Our costs have always gone up. We have never experienced a year in which our costs actually went down prior to our experience with National HR.
We really don't think of ourselves as brokers, but rather we are benefit engineers using the concept of a scientifically designed system to control cost and keep people happy at the same time. And that's what the goals are of most of our clients. They need to control cost and they need happy people. You need to do both if you're going to be successful with your medical plan. And the National HR 7-Step System does both.
One of the benefits for myself, I'm an employee of the company, but also a partner with the firm. And so I actually get the dual benefits of getting the best benefits for myself, but at the same time knowing that as an owner of the company that I'm getting the best value. So I'm actually getting the benefit both ways.
It's a solution. It's not just a matter of cost containment or cost reduction. It addresses the needs of both the owners and the employees.
Relationships are really important to us. National HR does give us the best prices, but they also give us tremendous service. I don't even think about, it's the truth, I don't even think about going with another company.
And this allows you to reduce your costs, get better coverage for your employees, and make a happier workplace.
It's very important for us to have happy employees. Happy employees work hard and keep the practice going and make your practice money, so it's very important.
I didn't have to worry about anything. I don't have to do much work. They gave me the choices that I needed within my price range that we wanted for the benefits, and that's it. I pay the bill once a month.
They're very responsive, battling with some of these insurance companies to get claims paid. It just would require more time and patience than I would have, and they do a super job with that.
National HR uses the medical cost control concept developed by the largest corporations. These tried and true methods have allowed a majority of our clients to have a lower cost today than 5 years ago.